Here's where we are, folks. The saga continues. It is running at high heat. I actually lowered the high heat limit so that it kicks off at 200 instead of 220. I ran the furnace here. I'm running it back on just to make sure the limit switch is okay. I verified that it's not getting enough air, or it's not blowing enough air to blow the heat off the heat exchanger. I took the blower door off, ran it with the door off. It still hit high heat, but not as quick. Rule of thumb, always raise it a few degrees. Yep, it did. Yep, burner's on. The next step, if he consents to it, is to remove this coil, even though it was just out of here not too long ago. But you can see it's still climbing pretty good. So I'm going to go cut this heat off so the blower can cool down. As you can hear, I got it pretty quiet. Yep, just in that short amount of time. See if I can get the flashlight in a good spot. That third marker there is a high limit. I'm just going to leave that right where it is. I did the smoke test. As you saw, it's clear. So I'm gonna cut this here and go do the other stuff. I hate dirty lenses. Did I ever mention that? Yeah, I do.